Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have edit or full control. Without that, you cannot add links. Next, open the site and go directly to the page or navigation area where the link will live. Decide if this should be a navigation link, quick launch or top nav, or a link inside a web part. Once decided, click Edit on the page or select the navigation settings. Start the actionable steps now, so permissions and location won't block you later. Now you add the link entry. If you edited the page, add a text, quick links, or link web part, then choose Add Link and paste the URL. If editing navigation, click Edit Links or Navigation Settings and choose New Link. Enter a clear display name and check the URL for typos. Make sure to set link behavior to open in a new tab if appropriate, and apply audience targeting or permissions if required, because that controls who sees the link. Finish by saving or publishing the page, and then immediately test the link as you and as another user if possible. Click the link to confirm it resolves and opens as intended. Check in a different browser or private window to rule out caching. If the link doesn't appear, make sure navigation was saved, verify your permissions, clear browser cache, and confirm audience targeting isn't hiding it. One troubleshooting tip: replicate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.